Introducing the OptiWand Trial Pack. Assuming you know how this functions will likely lead to failure. Apply eye drops prior to removal for lubrication. Spread your eyes as wide as possible, keeping eyelashes out of the way. Aim the OptiWand towards a light to use as a target. Best finger pinching position is very high on the base. Try all wands and ends to find the best fit for your soft contact lens needs. To practice removal, place a soft lens on your non-dominant hand's index finger. Then pinch it off a couple of times to visualize the process. Some can angle the wand down and pinch the bottom part of the lens to remove. Soft contact lenses have microscopic holes in them for breathability and comfort. This makes them impossible to remove by suction. You cannot suction soft lenses out by simply placing the wand to the lens. Soft lenses must be pinched out. Squeeze the pincher end to fit your eye cavity. Please read full instructions and view videos for best results. Many clients make the same mistakes using the OptiWand. Please do not give up. Practice and patience are a must. Creativity is encouraged. Some have discovered new ways to insert or remove lenses. Available online only.